Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use voice chat in Globe Geometry Dash. So if you want to use voice chat in Globe for Geometry Dash, here's how you can do it. First up, make sure you have Globe mod installed. So if you don't know how you can install it, just simply go to your Chrome and just make sure that it's on PC, because you can only play Globe on PC, you cannot do that on Android. So you just need to type in Globe Geometry Dash and you'll see this right over here which says Globe, and right over here you'll see the option of download. Just simply download it, and once it's downloaded you just need to open up your Geometry Dash like over here, and once the Globe mod is installed, you'll see the Globe option right over here. So next up, before that, you open the Globe settings, clicking on the gear icon, and open the Globe menu, then look for voice chat option and then enable it. Okay, but right over here what you have to do is just simply press on Globe, and then you need to join a global server right over here, as you can see. And right over here you just need to, as I told you, go to open Globe settings and enable voice chat from the menu, and make sure this voice chat is enabled. And after that, just simply select your microphone and allow access, and then press OK. Right after that, what you have to do is join a multiplayer lobby. You'll see the mic icon right over here, which basically indicates that you can join the voice chat, and just simply press start. Right after that, it's optional. You can set your push to talk key, so if you want that you can do it. And after that, you're all set. Voice chat is now enabled and you can talk to Geometry Dash. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.